Hello. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign into the Wall Street Journal for the first time. Okay, let's begin. Your first step is to go to the library's website at library.doc.gov. Now click on this Databases A to Z button. Databases A to Z is sorted alphabetically. Click on W for Wall Street Journal and scroll until you see it. Now click on Wall Street Journal. A new window will open and take you to the library's Open Athens login portal. Enter your Open Athens username and password. If you can't remember what your username is, you can use your .gov email address associated with your Open Athens account. Now click Sign In. Okay, you'll now be taken to the Wall Street Journal to create an account. Your name and email address are automatically imported. Create a password, then click Create. And to begin reading right away, click OK, let's go. That's it. You now have unlimited access to wallstreetjournal.com. Enjoy instant mobile access on your phone and tablet devices by logging in with your standalone Wall Street Journal account. To learn more, check out our database troubleshooting guide. Thank you.